breath here for me. And all the way up. That released well today. Okay, the usual. Go ahead and face me this way. Lie on your side, please. Have you just like that. Take a breath. And all the way out. Whoa, hold on. We're gonna try that one more time.
All right.
Tough adjustment. Breath. And all the way out. We're gonna bring that leg over. Ah, got it. Okay, breath here. Just up that leg. And all the way out. There we go. Oh gee, it's not the easy adjustment. Okay, right there. A little tight up top, not too bad today. Bring your chin up for me. And relax. Perfect, and one more. That'll keep you healthy for the weekend. You're all set.